everybody. I am at a Cracker Barrel tonight. It's pretty late, and you know, this isn't super important for a place like this, but let's suppose we're out in the middle of Timbuktu, let's say, and we are boondocking, and you know, there's not really supposed to be anybody around. One of the things that I have done, you see that blue light up there? That just detected me, and I'm gonna turn this way. Oh, it is following me. Okay, let's see. Let me try to get out of its way real quick. Oh, it is turning this way. Yep, it has seen me. So that is one of my surveillance cameras, and you see it rotate there as I move around. As you can see, I'm at a Cracker Barrel here, so it's not a big deal here, but I mean, it is pretty quiet here tonight, and I would like to know when there's activity around the van. These can actually, if you're out in the middle of nowhere, I'll have it set up to where I can detect let's say a bear, for instance, and I will be able to make an audible noise for it if I wanted to. You can have it to where it'll turn a light on, and kind of like a motion sensor there that it'll turn on a light. I have that turned off right now because if you have that on, you're driving down the highway and it detects a vehicle, for instance, it's going to turn the light on, so you don't want that. You don't want it to inhibit other drivers, but just thought I'd show this. I currently have this position at the driver's rear. I think I'm going to move this. This is on a Tiffin GH1. I'm going to move it probably to the front edge here of the rack, and then on the other side I will have another one, and I will probably mount it on the passenger rear, right next to my Girard awning there. I've got just enough room. I do not have enough room on the very front of it to mount it using the mount that I have, but that'll be the two outside ones for now, and I may add more in the future, but I think that'll give pretty good coverage. I'll be able to see out of the back from here, and then on the other side, if it's mounted towards the front, I'll be able to see the front and the driver's side. But thought I'd show this. Pretty cool little setup so far, and yeah, it's following me because it has detected me, and I'm getting push notifications right now letting me know that somebody's outside of the van. So it's kind of nice because you put up your shades at night and you really can't see outside without peeking through the shades, or pulling them off at a corner or something. And sometimes you don't want to do that because, as you can see here, I have complete blackout shades. You cannot see inside the van at all, and I like it that way. And but when you're inside, you want to be able to see what's going on around you, so this is gonna help me to do that. Also, it is recording me right now as well, so even if I do not catch the notification right away, and I want to go back and see what was going on the night before or whatever time it was happening, I can do that. So yeah, and this is solar powered, by the way. You can see the solar panel on the top, and it only needs about, I think it's about 20 minutes of sunlight a day, and that is fully charged easily to get you through the night and so forth. So I thought I'd show you guys this.